What's up guys, you're watching The Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is NW-31194-8 network connection error, and I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. Go to the settings and go to the network. Here we are, the network, view PlayStation status. Sometimes the DNS is not working. That's why you get this error. If the DNS is working, then you have a local problem with the local network problem. You just forget the old one and connect with the new one. Go to the custom settings, then manual, and change the DNS, primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. So, and you just connect it. If the server is down, that's simply you do nothing. Sony will fix this up automatically for a while. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.